Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Josh from Vicrez. So today we're going to be working on the 2018 Camaro SS, and we'll be replacing this a carbon fiber LED steering wheel. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, we're going to remove the airbag, and then we're going to take off the harness from the airbag, and then take off the steering wheel. To pull out the airbag, you need to stick a 4mm Allen key in there. Make sure you push it in all the way in until the airbag pops up. You got to do that on both sides. The next thing you need to do is to remove the center bolt. Now we can just remove the steering wheel. In this case, our new steering wheel didn't come with any accessory buttons or anything like that. So what you need to do with your original steering wheel is to pry off the metal console. It will just pull out, and after that you need to remove the harness, just like so, from both controls. So we're going to use this T20 Torx to remove these bolts over here. So you got 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After removing the bolts, now you have the paddle shifter off, as well as the volume control off. Just like that, the left side's off as well. So you're going to need to remove the back cover of the steering wheel so you can pull out this harness. Now we're going to install the harness from your old steering wheel to the new steering wheel. So now you want to make sure all the harnesses where they're at and nice and lined up, so you won't have to go into any issues fitting the horn back on. Now we're just going to bolt on the paddle shifters and the volume controls. Also do the same thing on the other side. Now plug in the harness for the paddle shifters and the volume control. So now you want to connect the harness back to these. Like so. Now you're going to cut up the wires for the LED so you can splice it into the harness for the car. So So now what you're gonna do with the red and black wire, you're gonna put the red wire to the constant power, which is brown. You're gonna put the ground, black wire, to the blue for ground. Now we want to put all the harnesses from the clock spring into the steering wheel, then just push right in. Now you want to put the center bolt back into the middle. So now with the red wire for the LED, you want to connect it to the brown, which is going to be the constant power. So now the red wire is spliced into the brown wire. And we are using electrical tape to splice it in with the brown wire, with the red wire too. And as for the ground, we're using the black wire with the blue wire for ground. And this is how the wiring looks after everything's back together. Now we just gotta tuck it in. And this is how everything should look like once you tuck everything back together. Now you want to hook up this smart box to your OBD2 port. And lastly, we're going to put back together the airbag. After connecting the harnesses, just make sure you put back the steering wheel nice and straight. All right, guys, fingers crossed. Alright guys, now she's alive! We just completed the full installation of this steering wheel. Guys, so that's it. That's how we installed the carbon fiber LED steering wheel for a 2018 Camaro. Likewise guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go hit that subscribe button. If you guys have any questions, go hit that comments down below. Alright guys, we hope you guys have a wonderful day and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.